मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. I don't know. मलाई थाहा छैन. अथवा यसलाई यसरी पनि भन्न सकिन्छ. I have no idea. I have no idea. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know what to do. मलाई थाहा छैन के गर्ने. I don't know what to do. मलाई थाहा छैन के गर्ने. Do you know? के हजुरलाई थाहा छ? Do you know? के हजुरलाई थाहा छ? Do you know? Do you have any idea? के हजुरलाई थाहा छ? Do you have any idea? के हजुरलाई थाहा छ? Yes, I do. हो थाहा छ. Yes, I do. हो थाहा छ. छैन. No, I don't. No, I don't. छैन. No, I don't. I know what I should do. I know what I should do. मलाई थाहा छ मैले के गर्नुपर्छ. I know what I should do. मलाई थाहा छ मैले के गर्नुपर्छ. Any problem? कुनै समस्या छ? Any problem? कुनै समस्या छ? No problem. No problem. कुनै समस्या छैन. No problem. कुनै समस्या छैन. Sorry, no problem. माफ गर्नुस् समस्या छैन. Sorry, no problem. माफ गर्नुस् समस्या छैन. Sorry, no problem. Never mind. केही छैन अथवा भइहाल्छ नि. Never mind. केही छैन अथवा भइहाल्छ. Never mind. Never mind. केही छैन अथवा भइहाल्छ. Thanks a lot. धेरै धन्यवाद छ. Thanks a lot. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. लाखौं धन्यवाद छ. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. लाखौं धन्यवाद छ. Thanks a million. Thanks a ton. मुरी मुरी धन्यवाद. Thanks a ton. T-O-N. Ton means मुरी मुरी धन्यवाद. Thanks a ton. मुरी मुरी धन्यवाद. Is everything okay? के सबै कुरा ठिक छ? Is everything okay? सबै कुरा ठिक छ? के सबै कुरा ठिक छ? Is everything okay? के सबै कुरा ठिक छ? Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. हो सबै कुरा ठिक छ. Yes, everything is fine. हो सबै कुरा ठिक छ. Everyone is fine. Everyone is fine. सबैजना ठिक हुनुहुन्छ. Everyone is fine. सबैजना ठिक हुनुहुन्छ. Everyone is fine. Is anyone sick? कोही बिरामी हुनुहुन्छ? Is anyone sick? कोही बिरामी हुनुहुन्छ? Is anyone sick? No one is sick. No one is sick. कोही पनि बिरामी हुनुहुन्न. No one is sick. कोही पनि बिरामी हुनुहुन्न. No one sick. No one is sick. Come here. यहाँ आउनुहोस्. Come here. यहाँ आउनुहोस्. Come here. बिस्तारै हिँड्नुहोस्. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. बिस्तारै हिँड्नुहोस्. बिस्तारै हिँड्नुहोस्. Walk slowly. Don't rush. हतार नगर्नुहोस्. Don't rush. Don't rush. हतार नगर्नुहोस्. Don't rush. हतार नगर्नुहोस्. No need to hurry. No need to hurry. हतार गर्नु पर्दैन. No need to hurry. No need to hurry. हतार गर्नु पर्दैन. No need to hurry. No need to rush. हतार गर्नु पर्दैन. No need to rush. हतार गर्नु पर्दैन. No need to rush. No need to rush. समय लिएर गर्नुहोस्. Take your time. Take your time. समय लिएर गर्नुहोस्. Take your time. Take your time. समय लिएर गर्नुहोस्. Now you go dear. अब त्यहाँ जानुहोस्. Now you go dear. Now you go dear. अब त्यहाँ जानुहोस्. Now you go dear. Speak loudly. ठुलो स्वरमा बोल्नुहोस्. Speak loudly. ठुलो स्वरमा बोल्नुहोस्. ठुलो स्वरमा बोल्नुहोस्. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Speak softly. सानो स्वरमा बोल्नुहोस्. Speak softly. सानो स्वरमा बोल्नुहोस्. Speak softly. सानो स्वरमा बोल्नुहोस्. Speak slowly. बिस्तारै बोल्नुहोस्. Speak slowly. बिस्तारै बोल्नुहोस्. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. बिस्तारै बोल्नुहोस्. Don't speak too fast. धेरै छिटो नबोल्नुहोस्. Don't speak too fast. Don't speak too fast. धेरै छिटो नबोल्नुस्. Don't speak too fast. Keep quiet. चुप लाग्नुस्. Keep quiet. चुप लाग्नुस्. Keep quiet. चुप लाग्नुस्. Keep quiet. चुप लाग्नुस्. Be quiet. शान्त हुनुस्. Be quiet. शान्त हुनुस्. Be quiet. Come in. भित्र आउनुस्. Come in. भित्र आउनुस्. Come in. भित्र आउनुस्. Don't go out. बाहिर नजानुस्. Don't go out. Don't go out. बाहिर नजानुस्. Don't go out. No, let's not go out. होइन बाहिर नजाऊ. No, let's not go out. No, let's not go out. होइन बाहिर नजाऊ. It's too hot outside. It's too hot outside. बाहिर धेरै नै गर्मी छ. It's too hot outside. It's too hot outside. बाहिर धेरै नै गर्मी छ. This room is stuffy. This room is stuffy. यो कोठा गुम्सिएको छ. गुम्सिनुलाई stuffy भनिन्छ है त. STUFFY stuffy means गुम्सिनु. This room is stuffy. यो कोठा गुम्सिएको छ. I'm suffocating. म निस्सासिँदै छु. I'm suffocating. म निस्सासिँदै छु. I'm suffocating. म निस्सासिँदै छु. Open the windows. झ्याल खोल्नुस्. झ्यालहरू खोल्नुस्. Open the windows. Open the windows. झ्यालहरू खोल्नुस्. Open the windows. Let in some fresh air. भित्र ताजा हावा आउन दिनुस्. Let in some fresh air. ताजा हावा भित्र आउन दिनुस्. Let in some fresh air. Don't close the door. ढोका बन्द नगर्नुस्. Don't close the door. Don't close the door. ढोका बन्द नगर्नुस्. Keep the door ajar. Keep the door ajar. अजारको अर्थ हुन्छ आधी खोल्नु. आधी खोल्नुलाई अजार भनिन्छ है त. Keep the door ajar. ढोका आधी मात्र खोल्नुस्. Keep the door ajar. Take a deep breath. गहिरो सास लिनुस्. Take a deep breath. गहिरो सास लिनुस्. Take a deep breath. गहिरो सास लिनुस्. Now exhale. अब सास बाहिर फाल्नुस्. Now exhale. अब बाहिर सास फाल्नुस्. Now exhale. Stay healthy and happy. स्वस्थ र खुसी रहनुस्. Stay healthy and happy. Stay healthy and happy. स्वस्थ र खुसी रहनुस्. All the best. शुभकामना छ. All the best. शुभकामना छ है. All the best. All the best. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. I don't know. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. मलाई थाहा छैन. Don't stop him. उसलाई नरोक्नुस्. Don't stop him. उसलाई नरोक्नुस्. उसलाई नरोक्नुस्. Don't stop him.